Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be talking about Uniswap, how we believe Uniswap with V3 is going to go to the moon, and how we are a part of a super cycle alt season. We have seen Pancakeswap go up exponentially. We have seen Binance go up exponentially, and I believe Ethereum and Uniswap are happening right now. We saw Uniswap go to $36 today. I'm a big believer in Uniswap. We've been a believer in Uniswap since the airdrop and so forth. We've bought up Uniswap at 7, 9, 12, 15, 19, $20 over and over again. So we believe Uniswap is going to change the game with V3. I believe that most projects are still going to be coming to Ethereum and Uniswap. That being said, always hedge your bets. Binance has been a huge come up for all of you who are a part of Binance. Congratulations. Pancakeswap has paid off. I remember Pancakeswap when it was at $2, $4, and now we're talking about $25 plus Pancakeswap. The gains we see in the cryptocurrency space are gains we don't see anywhere else. When we talk about trading in crypto, it's all about gaining the next big pump, and especially during an alt season such as this. So guys, if you see Uniswap, you see SushiSwap, you see Pancakeswap, you see how they're all competing, make sure you hedge your bets. You know, we have our Uniswap shirt on today. We believe very highly in Uniswap, taking over a 1% of the market cap dominance. After that, no other project is even in 1%. So we talk about Ethereum losing 60% market dominance. Bitcoin losing 60% market dominance, Ethereum around 11 to 12%, and now Binance doubling its market cap from 40 billion all the way past $80 billion market cap and trying to catch Ethereum. We will see what Ethereum does to counter this, but it's going to be a fun ride. And I believe Polkadot and Cardano, which have always been neck and neck with Binance, will soon double in market cap as well. It's going to be exciting to see, guys, which one of these projects do you think will reign supreme? Ethereum, Binance, Polkadot, or Cardano? You let me know below. And out of the dexes, do you think Uniswap and V3 is going to be back on top, or do you think Pancakeswap and SushiSwap and 1inch have a chance against this juggernaut of a dex? The Ethereum gas fees have gotten ridiculous. People are looking for other options. People don't care about decentralization. All they care about is their money. In the long run, they will care about decentralization, but right now we're in a bull run. All we care about is making as much money as possible. And if that means using Binance and using Pancakeswap or any other type of DEX, well, then we will do it if the process is easy enough. So guys, thank you as always for sharing your time with me. Nothing more valuable than your time except your money. So we'll see you next time with some more gems.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down, down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now.